Folks, I'm here in America. I'm here in New Jersey Airport. Maybe you are wondering why I'm so silent, tapos I'm here na. Maybe because my country is silent people. But now, I'm here in New Jersey. Nag-video-video na ang beauty na ako. I'm videoing the beauty. I'm videoing this because I'm changing. You are wondering what happened to me. Now, suddenly, nag-video na ko diha. You are videoing yourself at all. Yes, folks. This is my fun. Being who I am. I have fun of videoing here. The people is passing. Because this is New Jersey Airport sa America in town, folks. In America. I'm here in America. Naabot ng beauty ni Genevieve sa America. Changing this. I'm here standing. Na fun ako sa design. I have fun of videoing the design here. I'm here in New Jersey Airport going to Las Vegas. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. The people is passing. The people is passing. This is New Jersey Airport going to Las Vegas. See? Changing. Nag-change si the folks. It's change.
AJ, I feel like you're wrong. I feel like you're
I'm videoing because it's change. It sounds interesting. The people passing. See? Changing. See, nature na sound. It's nature, another na sad. New Jersey daw. Bye!